Today I'm testing CapCut, which is the sponsor of this video, with the video studio and the director mode. We will build 3 different product commercials, an iced coffee advertisement, a luxury skincare campaign and a futuristic headset commercial. But instead of generating one isolated AI clip, director mode gives me a complete canvas where I can organize products, visual references, storyboards and individual video shots. Editing existing footage without starting a complete new project is also no problem for the director mode. Let's go in. So first you go on CapCut.com. Here we have an overview about the tool. As you already can read, C-Dream 5.0 Pro is now live, and also the C-Dance 2.0 Mini and C-Dance 2.0 4K are live. We will use all of them in the video studio. Just click on it. Here we have the agent modes, standard and director. First we want to generate some images. Let's choose the creation mode image. As I already explained, we want to create some commercial ads. First we want a premium glass bottle of iced coffee branded Frost Peak standing on a wet black stone with realistic droplets. We can now choose Nana Banana Pro, C-Dream 5.0 Pro and more. Let's use C-Dream 5.0 Pro. We just hit generate. The main difference compared with traditional one prompt video generator is that director mode gives me a visual canvas for the complete production. I can use it for generating product images, organize my product environments, build a shot-by-shot storyboard, edit individual results without restarting the complete project. And as you already can see, the result is just astonishing. On the right we have our agent, our director mode here. Here has generated our premium beverage photograph for Frost Peak iced coffee. We can use this existing image to further optimize it. For example, just hit the prompt, add a hand holding the glass bottle to enhance the sense of interaction. And seconds later we have exactly that what we wanted. A hand holding the glass bottle. In our endless canvas here, we can reorganize, we can structure the outputs, the assets here. If we click on one, we can enhance this by prompting. We can see the history of this image, we can download it, and we can further optimize it. For example, in this case, we want to make a video ad. We can let the creation mode on auto, or we want a video where we can select the model like C-Dance 2.0 Mini, C-Dance 2.0 or C-Dance 2.0 Fast. Usually I use Mini for quickly testing controlled camera movements and simple product animations, and C-Dance 2.0 Fast is better suited to a more energy commercial with strongest transitions, camera movement and visual effects. So let's use Mini, 5 seconds duration, which can be up to 5 minutes. So we have our model, now we need the prompt. As you can already see here, the reference image is automatically added here. We want that slow camera push toward the Frost Peak iced coffee with droplets move naturally down the glass. And here is the result. Just perfect. And now we select C-Dance 2.0 Fast. We want 10 seconds. We have the prompt of a dynamic iced coffee advertisement. Begin with roasted coffee beans flying through a dark studio environment. Transition into a creamy cold brew pouring over slow motion ice cubes. And we hit play. This is just astonishing. CapCut director mode delivers here. He followed our prompt. We have a multi-shot scene all in one in our endless canvas here. Easy to edit our existing footage. Perfect camera control, transitions, no deformations, high quality. Ready to export it and use it for your social media on TikTok, Instagram or anywhere else. Amazing. A more advanced example, we hit the prompt, adjust the dynamic rhythm to make the beans flying and the cold brew pouring more in line with the rhythm of the background music. Let's see what it did. As you can see, the effects, the transition, working with the background music, exactly what we wanted. So you can also generate commercials or any other videos with rhythm to a fitting background music, all with CapCut Video Studio and the director mode. Easy as that. Here another example of a luxury skincare serum bottle branded Veolera Renewal Serum. As you can see here, the image generation is just on point, nice text, nice fitting background here. Now we wanted to generate an ad. We had the prompt cinematic skincare commercial for for our serum. Begin with a single glowing water droplet falling into clear water. The impact creates a slow motion splash that transforms into the bottle. Let's see. This is just amazing. A one-shot generation works at the first try. All is consistent, working exactly that what we wanted. It's just awesome. And as you can see, we had 210 credits for this video ad, which is pretty cheap. Again, we take our existing footage and we had the prompt add close-up shots of the serum being absorbed by the skin at the end of the video to highlight the product's efficiency. Let's see. On point! We had the close-up of being absorbed by the skin. He put it at the end of the video, but not at last, because the last should always be the product. So he did a great job here, doing a commercial for us, just by prompting without any additional tools needed. Crazy good. And our third example here, a futuristic commercial hero image of a fictional Sonexa Pulse wireless headset floating in a dark high-tech studio. Our prompt here is a slow rotation above a reflective black platform with blue lights activated around the ear cups. Let's look at it. Amazing what CapCut director mode in the video studio does here. It's just ready to take it away for your commercials, for your brand, for your startup. Easy as that. Here a more advanced example, a fast cinematic advertisement of the Sonexa Pulse wireless headset, building the components of the headset together in a commercial. Let's look at it. Crazy how accurate this works, no deformations on that. Well done, CapCut. If you liked CapCut and this video studio with the director mode, just click the link in the description to try it out. See you in the next one.